Missouri currently offers a program to assist individuals seeking to move back into the community from nursing homes and rehabilitation centers.
There was no way humanly possible that I could have made the transition from the nursing home setting into an independent living setting on my own without the money that follows a person program money. There was just no way. Life in the nursing home, they have codes for the doors to get in and out. Life on my own, I do what I want. I eat when I want to. I sleep when I want to. I can go when I'm ready to come and go. Money that follows the person program, I think, has been out close to a year now. I highly encourage anyone that can get out of a nursing home facility and be independent, check into this program.
The program assists individuals with moving and household expenses not to exceed $2,400.
They did supply some furniture. We picked up essential supplies that were needed to set up household. Like in my father's words, not a want, but a need. This program basically has saved my life, because if it wasn't for this program, I would not have been able to transition back out into the community successfully. Anybody that's in a nursing home or a rehab facility that is able to transition out into the community and live on their own independently, I highly encourage them to do this. This is really a great program.
For more information, visit the Missouri Statewide Independent Living Council at www.mosilc.com.